Hello Matrix and welcome again. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate the final value of an investment. So this is when you take money and you put it away each month. What is it going to be worth in, say, a year's time? So the question from a past exam, and I'll put the link into the description below, says that on the 30th of June 2013, Asif invests 2,500 Rand, and he does this until the 31st of May 2018, and the bank pays him 6% per annum. So what we're going to do is we need to use the future value, because this means the future value of investment. So we're going to use this blue one because F means future. So when you think of this, think of an investment, okay? The green one is paying off a loan. The blue one is an investment. So we're going to be using this equation. Now, what is the X? Well, that's the payment. So we know that's 2,500. The interest we know is compounded monthly, right? So it's 6% over 12. So we can actually just write that as 0.5%. And then our N is what we need, the number, okay? So it goes from 2013 to 2018. 2018 minus 2013, 5 years. Starts in June and ends in May. So it's exactly a year. So then we can, it starts on the 30th of June and ends in the 30th. So the last of the month. So in other words, we can use 60 because it's going to be 12 years. So that's 60 payments. Now it's going to be 5 years times 12. And if you're not sure about that, you could so we've got June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, and then he pays in May again. So that's 12 payments. So that's how we get that. And so now we can say P equals 2,500. And then we're going to say 1 plus the 0.5% to the power of 60 minus 1 all over 0.5%. And we can just put that in our financial calculator here. And divided by 0.5%. Okay, so there it is there. We've got the 0.5% at the bottom, 1 plus I, and then we say equals. And he's got 174,000. Oops. 174,425 Rand and 7 and 8 cents. Fine. Okay. So, well, 2,500 times 6. So let's just check to make sure that that is the correct kind of ballpark figure. So say we took 2,500 and we want to make sure that it's going to be more than when I times 2,500 by 60, right? Because we know that he earns interest. So we get 150,000. That makes sense because there's no ways that he would have earned less money than the actual amount he put in. So if you do get an amount lower than the 150,000, you know you've used the wrong formula. Okay, so that's how to get the balance of investment. I've done a lot of these finance videos. The last one I'm going to do is just to show you how to work out effective interest rate, which could come up, although it's not common. So subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Make sure you subscribe though, because that's the most important thing, because then you get notifications on when we do these videos. And I'll be doing the science and the life science as well. But for now, I'm just finishing off paper 1 lessons on the maths. So keep working hard, and I will keep trying to make these videos and helping support you in your matric.